Namaskar. I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you month of November's 2020's monthly forecast based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on moon sign. But you can watch this particular monthly forecast according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign as well. You can take this whole prediction according to your moon sign as well as according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign. This prediction have no relevance whatsoever with sun sign prediction. So kindly take this prediction according to your moon sign or according to your ascendant sign or according to your rising sign. For all of you, based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on all, so the whole project is based on Indian Vedic astrology, all the task, precaution, chantings, all the information. Capricorn, for this coming month of November, Capricorn, transit of Venus in 9th house, Capricorn, 23rd October till 17th November. When the Venus is transiting in 9th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 9th house from your moon sign. When the Venus transit 9th house from your moon sign, this mostly signify one set of a new wardrobe. It's also donate material comfort, happiness, harmony, financial gain, indulgence in precious jewelry, valuable items, luxurious items is also indicated during this phase of time. Businessman or businesswoman will find this period a very smooth, especially smooth one, with satisfactory profit and result. Success in education is also indicated during this phase of time. Health would remain good in shape. At home, your sibling would be more cooperative and affectionate than ever. Some auspicious deeds are likely to be performed at this time period. You may also decide on your relationship, your companionship, or if you're an eligible bachelor, you can decide about your marriage as well. During this phase of time, you're likely to get a match of your choice, who would also bring a fortune for you. A socially conducive period could also be expected, where you're likely to make a lot of new friends. You're also getting a mentor to show you the spiritual path. Your interest in artistic field would be rising. Your good qualities and virtuous deeds would be noticed, would bring more regarding reputation in society. This time could see your desire fulfilled, enemies defeated. If you're involved in any kind of a discussion, you're likely to be winning the same. You may even consider going to a long journey during this phase of time. Transit of Sun in 11th house, 16th November till 15th December. When the Sun is transiting 11th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 11th house from your moon sign. When the Sun is transiting 11th house from moon sign, this particular time period mostly means financial gain, improved economic and social status, improved economical situations and rise in status, prestige and honor, achieving more financial gain, achieving more financial prosperity. When the Sun is transiting 11th house, it's a suitable time for you to approach your boss, employer for any high favor, such as asking for rise, asking for promotion. You'll be rising your position at workplace. You'll get an unexpected benefit from your superior authorities. The Sun is transiting 11th house from moon sign. You could also expect a profit in your trade, attainment of wealth during this phase of time, even gain from your friends. Your social prestige would be seeing a rise. You'd gain more honor in your neighborhood. Health would remain good during this phase of time. Your sound health could be more happy on occasion. This particular period also signifies commencement of some spiritual constructive deed at your home, leading to even more happiness. Merrymaking, distribution, and indulgence of good food and sweets at home could also be expected during this phase of time. Overall, a comfortable period is donated for you and your family life, leading to family peace. Could during this phase of time could be like that. Transit of Venus in 10th house, 17th November till 11th December. When the Venus is transit in 10th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 10th house from your moon sign. When the Venus is transit in 10th house from your moon sign, this brings in mental anguish, agitation, restlessness. When the Venus transit 10th house from your moon sign, physical health is also suffering during this phase of time. You have to take extra care with your finance and try to avoid any kind of loans. You're likely to be under debt under this phase of time. You have to be extra careful. Beware of enemies and avoid any unnecessary discussion, useless discussions. It might lead to living argument or conflict. with a number of peoples. Be careful to avoid any defamation, humiliation in society. You have to be very careful about your decisions and choices. You're taking any steps. When the Venus transit 10th house, be cautious while handling your own people, professionally, personally. And if there's any misunderstanding with anybody, you got to sort it out. Politically, situation can be sensitive, personally and professionally. Avoid all kind of arguments with your family members, with your professional people, colleagues, if you're in a joint venture, your business partner, and try to keep a healthy equilibrium balance in the relationship, personally and professionally. You're likely to face trouble caused by higher authorities of chosen field, and sometimes government authorities can try to punish you, or higher authority will try to punish you if you're working for a company. Your boss will not be very satisfied. You may have to put extra hours or extra hard work to meet your objective in all your undertaking. You have to be careful. So whatever you want to achieve, be extra careful. With the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out yourself. You must sort out yourself, especially your Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Rahu, Ketu. Very important. Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Rahu, Ketu regarding your source of income, financial opportunities, communication, through communication coming across opportunities, profession, career, status, professional enhancement, peace of mind and harmony, happiness, recognition and appreciation, unexpected losses, unexpected fine, penalty, punishments. You must sort out your Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Rahu, Ketu for the prevention of any kind of professional losses, financial losses, bad debts, health, harmony, happiness. You must sort out these planets. What you waiting for? Why don't you go to the website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the full monthly horoscope report. There's a thorough report. Everything is there. Implement the whole monthly report in this month. Find out exactly the whole month is going to bring for you, positive, negative, and how you can root out your negatives. What the best you can do. All the support advice is there. Take the advice and do your best and achieve the best. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.